Hi, welcome to my video for Cisco. I'm Brandon.
What are we opening?
PJ Masks eggs.
And?
What is this?
Kinder egg.
Kinder egg.
Yeah, regular Kinder egg. We're gonna open 2 this time, right?
Okay. And open it?
Yes.
Yes. Let me see what's in mine. Let's see. Ooh, chocolate. Wow. Can you open it? I can't open it. Now? Say yes. What's this again? Cards?
What is it? The memory game again? Uh-oh. We
We
already got that one, right?
Yeah.
We'll just have to try again. What do you have?
A car.
Let's see. Let's look at all the pieces. It almost looks like a Lego.
It's like a Lego car. Chocolate.
You're just excited for the chocolate, huh? Give me one. Give me one. Can I have some? Hey.
Wait.
Can I have some chocolate?
Yeah. You can get some mine.
I can get some of yours?
Yeah.
Okay. Here's what Brandon got. It is
Can you help me?
a race car. Yes.
Can you help me?
Yeah. Oh, you're putting it together over there? Okay.
I'm gonna open this one first. You help me. You help me, Daddy. You help me, Mommy.
Well, let's see. What do we do? Are you gonna share some of that chocolate with me, or?
Whoa! My God.
Wow, yours has a lot of pieces too.
I got 4 pieces.
A lot of pieces.
And you know what? I got chocolate.
You're gonna give me some?
Yep.
Yeah. Yummy. You're gonna share with Mommy?
Yeah. Now open this. Let me see.
Yeah. You wanna open your PJ mask? Go. Go ahead.
What do you got, Brandon? Look at it come from. Where is it?
What'd you get?
Water.
Build a stage for your robot. So you got a robot.
I'll be the robot.
You follow the instructions to see if you can use all the pieces to make a robot.
Okay, this is the way you do it. Okay, then. Can I open it? Open it. Let me help you.
You're gonna help your brother? Uh-oh.
Romeo.
Romeo.
Yeah.
Again?
Yep.
Uh-oh.
They do like me. How do you build this part? Yeah, look. Can you open it?
Yes. Okay, let's put all our stuff together and open the rest of our prizes. Let's see. All right. So Brandon got this little figurine in his PJ mask. And then what else did you get in the other one, the Kinder egg? Let me see. We put it together. What's this one? What is it?
Oh. A car.
A car, a cool car. It goes super fast. And Francisco wants to put together his robot by himself. So, okay. And he got a memory game that he's gotten before in the PJ mask. Are you thinking really hard?
But I'm thinking I'm thinking in this go to the top in his head.
Okay. You're doing a good job figuring it out.
No, because I'm following it.
Yeah, you're following the directions, right?
Yeah, because you need to put this right here and right there.
Okay.
Go up. I'll be robot.
Do you like these surprise eggs?
Yeah.
All right. I'm glad you like them.
No, not yet. Don't say bye to the video.
Okay.
I want to make chocolate.
You want to eat your chocolate on the video?
Yeah.
Okay.
I love chocolate.
You love chocolate?
I love chocolate. Well, we can say bye now.
You want to say bye now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
You ready to say bye, Brandon?
Uh-huh. Bye, watching my video. Bye. 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 We're watching my video. That was a good one. Wait.